Here's a quick walkthrough of how we set up a manifold dump set. First, to get the packaging off a little easier, I like to squeeze, then pull. It just comes off a little easier. You can see in our set, we do have a dump bag and then 2 tubing lines with spikes on the ends. One line's clear, that connects to the saline. The other line has a colored stripe through it, usually blue or green depending on the vendor. That line connects to the contrast. I hand both of these off to the circulator to spike the bags. As you can see here, we have our contrast line, our clear saline line, a stopcock, and a valve. To withdraw contrast, I turn this stopcock upward and pull back on the syringe. But if I want to push fluid or air into the dump bag, I have to rotate the stopcock before pushing forward. So the sequence is turn, draw back, rotate the stopcock, then push forward into the dump bag. Next, I'm going to prime the saline line. I can pull straight back on the syringe without changing the stopcock position. Because of the one-way valve, saline can be withdrawn from the bag, but when you push forward, it prevents fluid from traveling backward into the saline line. But remember, to get contrast, you've got to turn that stopcock up